Faster.
Daniel's swimming.
Where is he?
He's out in the middle. Tell him to do it again. You gotta go in the middle where the ice is.
Oh, my shoulder like ate it.
Oh, golly, look at all that ice on you. Ice. Look, dust it off. Oh.
Snow.
Yeah, look, it's snowing. It does look like snowing. That's cool. Made our own movie. Go out in the middle, Daniel. Do it.
You stay backwards, Daniel? That's why. What are you taking pictures of? Can you skate backwards, Daniel?
He's going to go back. He's going to try it.
I'll try it. Alright. Skate backwards.
Skate backwards. Take it easy. All right, the backward skaters. This is a good picture, Richie, with the light shining this way.